Railroad wheels just aren't round pieces of metal. They have been specially engineered to carry trains.
One feature you might notice is this lip right here, called the flange.
So the question is, what does the flange do?
A, to keep the train on the track. B, to increase traction during acceleration. C, to limit wear and tear on the rail at high speeds. D, to allow consistent wheel alignment. So Mark, what's the answer?
The flange here rides on the inside of the rail, which keeps the train on the track.